show you, babe. Don't need to play the game. Why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now.
Yeah, I think education history as well.
The one, yeah, thank you.
Not that he was doing it to the same degree, but he said that the role that he was it'd be a month or two later, and she'd be like a month or two, and so it just kept happening.
Oh, wow.
Until it turned into she never got the fever again.
Yeah.
For a period of time, and she was regularly taking the probiotics. Stopped them for a little while.
It's so should.
Let's get your body. There was like somebody else presenting, and it was like a kid's. Okay. Okay. And then they go.
Dark while walking.
Oh, latest guys here.
Like a castle.
Jail?
Heading to school, what's at work on here. So that was that's my excuse.
Yeah.
But actually the reality is that wasn't the case. It still happened to be.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Smashed over on sourdough with the poached eggs.
Please.
Poached eggs on toast with bacon and avocado.
Your physiology, habitual coffee drinker's physiology when you drink coffee brings it to the level of a non-coffee drinker. And that's why you've got to keep going.
The afternoon, but we might get lucky and just go down and do it.
Gift shop thing. So it'll beep at me in a second to say your hands aren't on the wheel.
Alright.
But
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page.
that's on fire.
I don't want
Closing
to
it.
complicate. I know you're riding away.
poodles. Thank you.
I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clearly when there's love on the line. But I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Nothing left I could say. Ha ha ha. Nothing makes it clearly when there's love on the line. I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I?
I wanna get
Oh, you beat the record!
it! Woohoo!
You are good at these games. She beat the record.
Very hot.
Wow.
Alexa.
Wine that's not good anymore.
I like this one.
You like it?
comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind. All the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white. Sorta like a picture in a drawer. I don't wanna look at anymore, but it's too hard to ignore.
Lahat na lang naman ako dito mango. Lahat na lang siguro.
Holding on to someone else. The only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind. To New Year's Eve at midnight. Taste your lips like Napa red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. Deja vu. Deja vu. It comes and goes like the pull of a wave. Here for a second and down the drain. I'm getting dizzy doing double takes. I'm overseeing you and everything, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Oh no, holding on to someone else. The only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind. To New Year's Eve at midnight. Taste your lips like Napa red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. Deja vu. Deja vu. Deja vu. Holding on to someone new. It's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind. To New Year's Eve at midnight. Taste your lips like Napa red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. I still do. Deja vu. Deja vu. Deja vu.
Ito, B, sabi ko sa'yo.
Cute, no? 13. Is it 11 here? Yes. 23. There's extra $1 each, and then if you buy 10, yes, one free. So that one 4 for 10, and this one $3. Yes. On card? Okay. Back. Oh yeah. Oh, cute. Oo. Yan na lang kay Kaka.
Sabi.
Sige, maghanap ka na. Ayan.
Sydney.
Oo.
Yan, gusto mo
Cute.
to?
Oo, gusto ko yan. Feeling ko magugustuhan yan. Ano, ayan.
It's okay, no worries. Thank you. Thank you. Bibilin ko na lang siya ng ano, ng rail opal na ano, ito.
Yun. Ganda naman yan. Try ko to.
Bounty.
Ay, ito bounty. Wala doon.
Oh, Bounty. Send ako ng ano.
Send ka.
Umuwi ng friend ko nung December.
Ah. Kuha ko ng isa. Yung original. Ito. Yung original ang masarap. Wala pa ulo yung original.
Yan.
Ah, ito ba yun?
Oo.
Teka, ilan ba kukunin kong team? Di ako na yun? Oh.
So, you can just have the card.
Follow the pin pad prompts to finalize your payment.
Pero hindi ko sure if kailangan siya sa ing-area. Feeling ko kasi pang babae. Tawagan mo na lang siya, Jerry.
Na po tayo sa ano?
Okay.
You might wake up one day having fought for things you don't need.
Like this.
Spend your whole life in vain. Is it worth the pain? You're home deep. You've been dreaming all day, trying to fix what's hopeless. You're denying the pain. The past is gone and broken. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall. Maybe we're okay to not be brave. The truth lives on anyway, beyond the grave. It's hard to let go of a wasted time. Quit fighting to find all the answers you need to know. Start trying. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we
You're so
don't
dumb.
have to be so beautiful and tall. Maybe we're okay to not be brave. The truth lives on anyway, beyond the grave. You're gonna wake up one day wondering why you care, questioning the wasted days and the dreams that you spare. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall. Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you. I feel like I knew you then, when I was a little boy. I spent my days imagining the shape it would all